Good morning to all. Good morning, dear students. I am Shivendra Dubey, Assistant Professor of SIT College, Bhopal, and our sister concern is SIT, SITE, SITP, P stand for Pharmacy, SITSP also, as well as SUI, one of the university in best university in Indore. Another one is SUB, State University, Bhopal. So my topic is introduction of cloud computing, which is the cloud computing subject, which is the 8th semester subject of BTech in RGPD. So, firstly, one question arises here: what is cloud computing? So, cloud computing provides us means of accessing the application as utilities. Cloud computing provide us means of the accessing the applications as utilities over the internet. Without internet, you can't access. As well as it allows us to create, configure, and customize the applications online. Next thing is cloud. Cloud computing, which is a combination of cloud plus computing. So one thing is cloud. A simple term cloud referred to as a network or internet. As well as in other words, we can say that cloud is something. Cloud is something which is present at a remote location. Cloud can provide services over public private network like that wireless area network, local area network, and VPN. Various applications which use the cloud like that email, web conferencing, and CRM, customer relationship management, which is executed on cloud. So let's discuss the cloud computing. Cloud computing refers to manipulating, configuring, and manipulating, accessing. These are the things to refer by the cloud computing for accessing the hardware, software, resources remotely. In simple way, cloud computing refers to manipulating, configuring, and accessing the hardware and software resources remotely. It offers online data storage. It offers online data storage. This is the main benefit of that. And infrastructure also, and applications also. Cloud computing offer platform independencies. There is no dependency of the platform as the software is not required to install locally on the PC. There is no required. Hence, the cloud computing is making our business applications mobile and collaborative. Some basic concept of the cloud computing. There are certain services and models working behind the scene, which is making the cloud computing visible and accessible to the end user. Following are the working model for the cloud computing. First one is the deployment model. Second one is the service model. So first one is deployment model. Deployment models define the type of access to the cloud. It means how the cloud is located. That's the deployment model. Cloud can have any of the four types of access: public access, private access, hybrid access, and community access. So let's we discuss one by one. First one is public cloud. So the public cloud allows systems and services to be easily accessible to the general public. Public cloud may be less secure because of its openness. Maybe less secure. I'm not sure, but maybe less secure because of its openness. Private cloud. Private cloud allows system and services to be accessible within organization. We are talking about an organization. It is more secure because of its private in nature. Next one is community cloud. The community cloud allows systems and services to be accessible by a group of organizations, group of companies. Community. Hybrid cloud. The hybrid cloud is a mixture of public and private cloud in which the critical activities are performed using the private cloud, while the non-critical activities are performed using public cloud. Hybrid means what? Two or more things. So there are mixture of two things, public or private cloud. So there are division of that. Critical activities are performed by the private cloud, and on the other hand, non-critical activities are performed by public cloud. Next one is service model. Cloud computing is based on the service model. These are the categorized into three basic service models: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. This is the pictorial presentation of that service model. So you can see here cloud clients like customer or clients they have to access the web browser, mobile app, etc. SaaS, software as a service, like as applications, email, games, virtual desktop, etc. Platform as a service is the middle of that, like as the web server, deployment tools, and implementation for that. And next one is the infrastructure as a service, and that like a servers, storage network, and virtual machines like that. Another thing is anything as a service. Access is yet another service model which includes network as a service, business as a service, and identity as a service, and database as a service, or strategy as a service. We discuss one by one. Infrastructure as a service. AS means that network architect. AS provides access to fundamental resources such as physical machines, virtual machines, and virtual storage, etc. Like that, network architect work as network architect. Next one is platform as a service. Platform as a service provides the runtime environment for the applications development and deployment tool, like as the application developer, work known as the application developer. Software as a service. SaaS model provide to use the software application to use your user to the end user. So enough for the today. Next lecture and the next lecture we discuss the history of the cloud computing. So thanks to all.